5, so it's about 10 months, so you take a look at 15 months coming off approximately for that. That had to do largely with the time was because he cooperated throughout the entire piece.
Can you clarify, did he address, it went so fast, the part about the Crown asking for no chance of parole for half or 10 years, where did that end up?
That was denied. Sorry, that was denied. It'll be the regular course, so he will be eligible for parole at 1/3 of the sentence.
So can you do the math for us, sir? Does that include
18 divided by 3. Where did you go to school?
Well, no, but I'm asking you if that also includes the time. Like, do you take it off after the time credited?
It's the amount of time that he has to serve. So it'd be 18 years less a year and a bit, and then take 1/3 of what's left.
Overall, are you pleased with the way that the trial went, the sentencing?
It was. I think it was appropriate in all circumstances, is what I said. So that I think I'm content with the fact that we did a good job. I think the Crown did a good job. I think Judge Breen, as always, came up with a very, very good sentence. And the motto of my university: "Whatsoever things are true." It's here. It is a true and good sentence. I think Judge Breen thought of everything. He addressed all the principles of sentencing, and I think it was appropriate and accurate and just. And just is what we're looking for. Like through this whole thing, as defense, we have tried to make this not only client-centered, and Peter and I have worked right through the whole thing. I was the face at the front, but we've worked through it together. But we've tried to make this not only client-centered, but victim-sensitive, so that we would hope that today the victims will have some closure and they can maybe begin whatever healing is available for them. So throughout, we've tried to be client-centered is what we do, but victim-centered as well. And I think the judge took all of that into consideration in the sentencing. We talked about healing and rehabilitation of our client, but we're also hoping that the healing can begin for the victims.
Did you represent Snook in 07? No.
No, there was no representation. He was never charged.
Well, we heard in the sentencing hearing that he did have a lawyer represent him in 07.
He spoke to a lawyer.
And it wasn't you?
It was.
It was you. Okay.
What is the status of the Newfoundland charges?
Newfoundland, there are 4 charges, and Newfoundland has finally accepted that they can come to New Brunswick for guilty pleas and sentencing. But that's a matter that we've made the application. Newfoundland will send that to the New Brunswick Crown. The New Brunswick Crown has to accept that they be transferred over. So it's going to be quite a process, and I'm not too sure how long that'll take. Due course.
What happens, can you explain what's at stake in the forfeiture hearing?
In the forfeiture hearing, they're dealing with everything from his house to his motor vehicle to the camper trailer to electronic media and electronic equipment that was present and used as part of the offenses. And as a result, the Crown will be applying for forfeiture of many items, and there's talk of third parties who wish to intervene, although that hasn't happened yet.
How much of it